Happy Youth Day, everyone, and welcome to the Weather Center. This Friday, we started off the day with a bit of drizzle along the Mpumalanga and Limpopo escarpments. But for the rest of your Friday, it's going to become dry over those areas, and we're going to see partly cloudy skies across parts of eastern KwaZulu-Natal, Mpumalanga, and the Limpopo province. Clear skies are expected for the bulk of South Africa, but we are going to see quite a bit of high-level clouds streaming across much of the Western Cape. And we have this cold front having its eyes set for Western South Africa, and it should hit our shores as we head towards Saturday morning. Now, we are expecting just a 20% chance of drizzle over the Mpumalanga and Limpopo escarpment areas. Needless to say, it's going to be dry for your Youth Day across the rest of South Africa. Looks like great weather for a holiday across much of the country. It's going to be warm this afternoon for much of the northwest. Temperatures around 25 degrees for Potchefstroom and Mahikeng, just a degree cooler in Pretoria, a mild 19 for Polokwane. It's going to be cool for Emelo, peaking at around 16 degrees. Bloemfontein should warm to around 21. Cooler as we go towards Bethlehem. Highs in the upper teens and lower 20s are forecast over much of the Eastern Cape and across KwaZulu-Natal. A southeasterly breeze is forecast this Friday around Richards Bay. However, we are expecting moderate to fresh northeasterlies between Durban and Port Elizabeth, and top temperatures along the east coast are going to lie mostly in the lower 20s. Fairly big swell highs this Friday off the east coast, averaging around 2.5 meters, with the swell coming from a south to southwesterly direction. We are going to see temperatures over the southern Cape areas reaching the lower 20s in most areas. Rather warm for Vredendal, peaking at around 26 degrees. A mild day is forecast for the south coast and the southwest coastline. Light offshore winds are forecast off the south coast and northwesterly breeze between Muizenberg and Hermanus. And we're expecting swell heights of around 3.5 meters off the south coast, with the swell coming from a southwesterly direction. It's going to be cool to mild for the southern parts of the northern Cape, warmer for the northeastern sections. Appington making it to 24 degrees this afternoon, just a degree cooler for Prieska and Kimberley. Light to moderate northwesterlies are forecast around the Cape Peninsula. Fresh winds for Langaban. Temperatures peaking at 20 degrees for Cape Town this afternoon. Big swell heights off the west coast at around 3.5 meters, with the swell coming from a southwesterly direction. On Saturday, we stay with rainy weather over the southwestern areas. It's going to be mostly sunny across the rest of South Africa.